Hi guys, welcome back to K Hair Factory, Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. I'm Justin, sales manager of K Hair Factory. The world's demand for Vietnamese hair extensions is increasing. However, not everyone can find the answer to the question, is Vietnamese hair good? So let's go through 3 main factors to know, is Vietnamese hair good? The first factor to consider to answer the questions, is Vietnamese hair good, is quality. The Vietnamese market has a wide variety of hair extension products. However, most Vietnamese hair extensions are made from real human hair. Due to geography, climate, and custom, Vietnamese hair is usually of good qualities. The hair is thin and soft, easy to style, bleach, and dye. If we compare Vietnamese hair quality with Chinese or Indian hair quality, we will see the superiority in Vietnamese hair extension. So, the qualities of Vietnamese hair for these questions, is Vietnamese hair good, is very good. The second factor when it comes to the question, is Vietnamese hair good, is the price. The price of Vietnamese hair extension is extremely attractive. When comparing the same product line and the qualities of Vietnamese hair with hair from other countries, the price of Vietnamese hair is much cheaper. Because suppliers in Vietnam do not need to import hair from other countries like factories in China. Hair extensions are all collected in Vietnam and processed in factories in Vietnam. Labor cost in Vietnam is also quite low. Therefore, the selling price of Vietnamese hair products is much lower than others in the world. Therefore, it can be seen that Vietnamese hair extensions are quite good in both qualities and price. The third factor to consider when you ask the question, is Vietnamese hair good, is about the prestige of factories in Vietnam. Not every hair extensions factories in Vietnam is good and reputable. Although there are not too many scams factories in Vietnam, you still need to be very careful. Do not blindly trust the attractive price offered by the factory. Be sure to double-check the factory you plan to choose before making a purchase decisions. And if you need a reputable address to buy Vietnamese hair extension with the best qualities, come to K Hair Factory. And that is all you need to know about the question, is Vietnamese hair is good? If you have any question, don't hesitate to text me through this WhatsApp number. If you find this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justin, and I will be back for more videos on K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.